Hello everybody, this is Low and Boy of the 50-somethings. We're taking a look at a Cutwater 32. And look at the front of the bow of this boat. You got plenty of railing here. It's going to be hip high at least. Seating for 3. And the forward 2, you can drop your feet down into the anchor locker there. And that's plenty of row and chain. As we walk back down, you can see the only problem I've ever really had with these boats is the gunnel. One, they do have handholds at the top, but there's only about 4 to 6 inches there. That little lip, you know, if they could extend that out a little bit. But check out this aft cockpit. There's where it's at. The aft cockpit, the seating that opens up. Look at the specifications. 39 feet, 10 inches, 10-foot beam. And you fix to see this, look at this swim platform with twin 300s. I mean, that extends the boat out to almost 40 feet alone right there. I mean, just take a look at this thing, guys. Let us know what you think about the Cutwater 32. What do you think the actual use is?
50-somethings.
We're living life to the fullest and practicing for retirement.
And what's the length overall on this one? So,
big boat.
It's good size for a 32. This drops to the bed, of course. Is this electric?
It is electric, yeah.
Okay, so, oh, got the sink, 1, 2, 3, 4 drawers. If I'm not mistaken, we have a little mini wine refrigerator.
That one.
That's cool though. It's a fast boat too.
Yeah, it is.
That 288 boat can do 60 miles an hour.
For 32, this flips back and doubles as your helm seat.
Okay, real quick, look at these dual 16-inch Garmins. You've got your Yamaha controls. You know, you even got like a little center console there with a couple cup holders. And of course, just teak wood. Just beautiful, you know? And all the accessories that you need.
I believe this actually comes down so you have additional counter space. Or this may lay out so that you can... Oh! This will lay down and then this actually folds down, and that way you have counter space all the way along. This door opens. This pulls out, and then this reverse seat, okay. And then it's got the drop down.
Just real quick, that drop down monitor doubles as your fish finder also, guys.
Big fan of that 288. I think it's real sharp motor.
And then, oh my God. All right, I'm gonna stay in here and take a nap. Oh man, it works really well. All right, so, I mean, I would not want to do the loop on this boat, but this has the little shower curtain that pulls around, but it is a wet head. And all-in-one. And yeah, there's not much storage. It would be under the bed, I'm sure, lifts up. And we have a little table that'll drop down. So little TV.
You know, the inside the cabin, I love the galley up, and you do have everything you need. There's a lot crammed into a small space there.
It's a gas grill and an electric.
They're both electric, yeah.
Oh, that's electric too?
There's 5
Okay.
PW generators so you can power those items.
Okay. Is that
Everything's
included or?
included. There is the only option on this boat is the bimini top on the bridge. That's it. Everything else is 100% standard.
Can you get that enclosed? Something with isinglass?
It doesn't come, but you can have something
Custom?
Yeah,
Okay.
you can.
I see the seats down on the front.
Not that bad. You got some seating in the back. You sit back here and watch it.
It looks like they open up in front of the seats so that you can actually sit normal.
Okay, guys,
Thinking
check out
with
this
your
fly
feet
bridge.
down,
It's got a full
knees
Garmin
bent.
package, 2-seater there, so your
So-
wife or whoever sitting next to you, plus the
is.
company in the back. You got solar. I mean, plenty of room up there, really, for, you know, cruising. Now, I don't know if this boat's considered a, you know, offshore fishing boat. Is it a weekend? Can it be used for a great loop? Probably. But, I mean, it does have a lot of features packed into it. And, of course, there is a fish box under the deck. And also, up underneath that grill in the back, there is a live well. You know, I don't know what to really say about these Cutwaters. They have the Rangers also, but everything you can imagine is packed into this 32 or 39-foot boat. But sometimes you gotta wonder, did they pack too much in it? I mean, for $340 some odd thousand, I mean, it is just absolutely gorgeous. You got to give it that. And I mean, it does have the ability to have a dinghy, as you can see right here. And it maneuvers, and it's got those chines that they developed, and obviously the speed. But tell me what you think. You know, leave a comment and subscribe.